Come on, Sudhir.
Yes, Ravi. It's clear.
Now,
No doubt.
good, na?
Good, good, all good.
Yes, yes.
Okay, guys. So good. So okay. So based on that, okay. Again, I'm going to give what some examples, guys. Just I want to know that you people are really what in uh, analyzing the things properly or not. Okay. So what is that? Okay, I'm writing the some. I want to know that. Okay, how much you people are analyzing the things. Okay. So just think about that. What is that? College is there, right? College is there, and what is that? College is there, and what is that? Branch is there, right? May I know that? COO, what I'm writing now? Okay, guys. So may I know that what is that? What is the relation between these two object?
One too many.
One too many.
One too many, Ravi.
One too many.
One too many.
One too many.
Yes, good.
One too many.
One
Many.
to what? Many. One too many, because one college, right? One college can have what? Multiple branches, right? Just think about that in the future. Just think about that RK technology is there. So if multiple RK technology is there, then what we will call now, guys? RK technology, group of RK technology, right? Group of what? RK technology. Come on.
Yes, sir.
Many
What
to
is
many.
that? RK technology is only, but what is that? It's a distributed multiple places. That is called what?
Branches.
Group or not, guys?
One too many. Yes.
Yes.
One too many.
One college, sir. Multiple branch.
So this is what? One too many now. Okay. So good, very good. Now, okay, again I'm taking, guys. Okay, again I'm taking. Just let me know that. Okay. So what is that? Course is there. Course is there, right? Course is there, and what is that? In the course, subject is there. Subject is there. May I know what is the relation?
One to one.
Many to many.
Many to many.
Many to many.
Many to
One
many,
course,
Ravi.
one subject.
Many to many. To many.
Many to many.
Okay. Who is the saying many to many?
Many to many.
May I know how it's many to many now?
One to
Can
one.
you-
Ravi.
Many to many.
One course, one subject only.
One to
Don't change your answers, guys. Who is the given many to many? Please be the confident about your answer, right?
Yes, many to many. Many courses,
many
subjects. Many courses having
Many courses,
Yes.
many subjects is there.
Yes, many courses are there, and what is that? Many courses, many
Many
subjects
subjects
are there,
subjects.
right?
Yes.
Then what is that?
Yes, sir.
Many to many.
Many to
Too
many.
many relation will be there, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, guys. So again, one more things. Okay, so don't worry about that. These things will decide our business analyst, guys. Okay, but here only we are analyzing. Okay, so what is that? Think about that. Just employee. Employee is there now, guys. Okay, employee is there, and inside that employee, what is that? Address. Address. Now tell what kind of relation is there now, guys.
One to many.
One to many.
to many.
One to many. Okay, one to one.
One to many.
One to
One
many.
to many.
One to
many.
one to one also.
Many to one.
One
Both,
employee.
guys. Okay.
One
See, guys.
Okay. Many.
Okay, good.
One to
Who
many.
is the giving both answer, guys? Good. Okay, both. Because see, one employee can have multiple address also. Means what is that?
Multiple address. Yeah,
Correct.
maybe
Yes.
one
Current
address.
address and what? Physical address. Come on.
Yes.
Permanent.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
And one employee can have what is that? One address also, right? One address also. What is that?
Yes.
Permanent address.
Yes. One to one.
Yes.
Both we can apply, right? Both we can apply, but in the project, who will decide it? Which operation we can perform it? Our business analyst, guys. Okay, our business analyst will give the instruction. Based on that, we can establish this relation. Okay, in the real time. Okay, so good. So now, okay, guys. So again, I'm taking one more example now, guys. Okay, order Order is there. Okay. Order is there. Okay. Order is there. After then what is that? Order is there. And what is that? Item is there. Item is there. Now anyone can tell what is the relation now, guys?
1 to 1.
One
Many
to
to
many.
many.
One
One to
order
many.
can have
Many to
multiple
one.
One
items.
order.
One to one.
many.
Amazon.
One to
many.
One to
One
many.
to
One to many.
many.
One order gives
One to
many
many.
items.
One many to one.
Yes, yes.
Takes many.
Okay,
Both
guys,
are-
okay, good,
Both
cool,
are
cool.
One order many.
Many
One
to
to one,
many
one to
also.
many.
Yes,
One order
yes,
ID,
yes.
many
Got
items
it. The
and
point.
many
Please
tenants,
stop.
one order ID.
Stop yourself. Okay. Okay. Good. Okay. In a single order, right? In a single order, guys, multiple items.
Multiple items.
We are
Yeah.
booking or not,
Multiple
guys?
items.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yes.
Multiple items or single order?
Yes, sir.
In a single order, we are adding multiple items. Okay, na? So that
Single order, multiple items.
okay. That one will become what is that? One to
Many.
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 One to
what?
many.
One to many. Okay. Okay, guys. So good. Okay. Okay. One more example. Let's see that. Okay. Okay. Student. Student is there, right? Okay. Student is there. Good. Student is there. And what is that? Classroom. Classroom is there. May I know that?
Many to one.
What is that?
Many to many.
Many to
Many
many.
to one.
Many to
Many
many.
to one.
Oh.
Many students sit in one class.
Classes.
Many to one, many students in a classroom.
One student can sit in multiple classes also.
No.
Yeah, that's true.
But they are
But
given one
here
class.
classroom. I'm talking about that.
Okay, so
Many
many
to
to
one.
one.
Here, what
Many
is
to
that?
one.
Many to
Many
many
to
what is
one.
that?
Many
In a
to
single
one.
class. Just
Many
think about that.
students.
In the single class, guys, what is that? In single class, what is that? Multiple student is there, right? Multiple student is there, right? In a
Yes, sir.
single class. So what relation will be now?
Many to
Many
one.
to one.
Many to one.
Many to one.
Okay, guys, one more example. Let's see that. Okay. Okay, person. Person is there, right? Person is there, and what is that? Email is there. What is the relation now, guys?
One to many.
One
One
to
to
one.
many.
One to many.
One
to many.
One to one.
One to many.
One to many.
One.
या फिर one to one.
One person to an email.
One to
Hey,
everyone.
guys, okay,
Mail.
don't
One to
confuse.
one
One to
या
many.
फिर
One person, see,
One to many.
I'm not talking about
One
what is
to
that
many.
email. Email account at is only one time, right? One person, just think about if multiple person, right? Email one Facebook account, one just think about that you are the Facebook user. You have the one Facebook profile account. Many people can use at a single time that Facebook profile. You
Yes.
will give the password.
No.
No,
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 no.
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 One to one.
So what relation will be now, guys?
One to one.
One to one.
One to one.
One to
One to
one.
one.
Okay, this is the one to one relation now. Okay, one person have a one account. Okay, okay, guys.
Okay.
Let's talk. Okay, email means what is that? Person and email only, right? Person email I'm taking, right? One to one relation. Okay, similar way only. Let's take user. User is there, right? User is there, and what is that? Our what? Facebook account is there.
Many
One
to
to
one.
many.
Huh?
One to many. One
User-
user can have
Many to
multiple
many.
accounts.
One.
Many.
Many to one.
Users many Facebook accounts.
One
to one.
user
Many
having
to
multiple
one. Many
users.
to one.
User and a Facebook
one user
account. I'm
have one
talking
user
about.
account.
One to one.
One to one.
One only.
One to one.
One to one. One to
Yes.
one.
One to one. Okay, guys. So now you people get clear picture about one to one, one to many, how we can analyze it now.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Sir.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
shall we
sir.
see these things as a practical now, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Please,
Okay.
can I ask one question? Little bit.
Yes, sure. Who is that? Ask it.
Satish. Actually, Ravi, here one person create so many emails and one user create so many Facebook accounts.
Huh.
Possibility is there,
Ask.
Am I audible?
Yeah, Satish, your voice is very low.
Yeah, actually, I want to know that, like just one person can create so many emails.
See, one person can create multiple 1,000 email address, but one person can use only one email or not.
Okay.
Okay,
That
you
time,
mean-
okay.
Okay, just think about that. Whatever your company email ID, whenever you are working in the company, right? They are generating for you one email ID. Okay,
Yes. Officially, yes.
that email ID everyone is using in that company, or only you are using now.
Only one.
I am only using.
So then, what kind of relation between your email address, company email address, and you?
Okay. That time, 1-to-1.
Okay.
Okay. Got it. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, right. Hey, what about Padma? Padma is not speaking. She's there or not in the session? Yeah, she's there. What
Yes,
happened?
there.
What happened? You are day to day becoming lazy now, Padma. Are my voice
One more question, Ravi, I have.
now? 6 months onward, you are listening my voice. You are feeling bored. Hey, what kind of voice is it? Huh? Come on. I think she is just logged in. Okay, and she is not there. Good, no issue. Yes. Who having the question now, guys? Okay, ask it.
Yes, my question is, we are in many to one mapping. Here we are a student in classroom, right?
Yes.
So one student have one classroom. Also, one-to-one mapping is also available there. If we think
No, one
about,
student. See, one student can sit multiple classroom also if you think about that. But what is that here? Just directly think about that student, right? Student can have multiple student in the single classroom. What multiple student are sitting or not?
yes,
So just think about like that. So then multiple student can sit in the one class at a time. One student can sit only one classroom, not a multiple, na?
yes.
Or in
So
a
that's
single time one student can sit multiple classroom. Just tell.
yes, one
In this
student.
time, just think about that.
Can,
In this time, right? In this time, just you are joining my session, right? So at the same time, you can join others session also, and if
no,
you join also, you
no,
can
no,
understand.
No.
Huh? So what kind of
no.
relation between what
Okay,
kind of? Okay, just think about that. Okay, I am a faculty. Means what is that I'm teaching to you people? Okay, and multiple people are joining this session. Okay, so this session. So which kind of relation is there between you and me?
One to many.
Many to one.
One to many, right?
Yes.
So analyze it like this, man. Got the clear picture?
Yes.
Yes, Ravi. Clear.
Thank you.
Yes, Ravi.
It's
Clear.
clear.
Anyone having any doubt now? Let me know that, guys. Anyone, please? Come on, yaar.
No,
No
no
doubts, sir.
doubt. It's
No
clear.
Okay, good. Shall we move on now? Shall we move on?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes,
go
sir.
ahead.
Okay, good. So let's move on and let's see that. Okay, let's see that next level discussion, and we will implement what is that one application. So first, what we will do now? We will see the steps, right? We will see the steps now. What is that? Step first, right? What is that? Step first, I'm going to implement. What is that? Define. What is that? Define two. What is that? Two model, right? What is that model? Define two model classes. Define two model classes with what? With what? Has a relation, right? What relation will be there now, guys? Has a relation, right?
Has a
Another one is what?
relation.
Step two,
Yes.
right? Step two. Step two, right? Step two will be what? Step two will be what? Check. Check for what? Check for what? Collection. Check for what? Collection type, right? Collection type means what is that? One to many, right? One to what? One to many. One to many or what? Many to many, right? Many to many, right? We will check this relation, right? We will check what? This relation. Good. Very good. After then what is that? Step what? Step three. Okay. Step three will be what? Step three will be what? Apply. apply multiple. Multiplicity, right? Multiplicity annotation. Annotation, right? What annotation will be now, guys? What annotation will be now? Okay, good. If the relation is there 1 to 1, right? Sorry, 1 to 1. Okay, 1 to 1. If relation between two classes, what is that? 1 to 1 is there, then which annotation? Which annotation we will take?
@ 1 to 1.
Many to 1, 1 to 1 also. 1 to 1. 1
1 to
to 1, right?
1.
1 to 1 plus what is that? Foreign key. We will make what is that? Foreign key column. Column as unique. What is that? Unique, right? After then good. Next one is what? Next one is what? See this, okay? Next one is what? See star. What is that? Star is there, right? Star and what? 1 is there, right? Good. Very good. Star and what? 1. At the rate, what is that? Many
to
Many
1.
to, what is that? Many to
Many
1,
to
right?
1.
Many to 1 is
1.
there. Good. Many to 1. Okay. If what is that relation is there? What is that? Many to 1. Which annotation we will apply on the top of that? What is that? That variable now, guys? Many to 1.
Many
Good.
to
Many to 1. Okay. Fine now, guys. Okay. If relation is there, what is that? 1 to many, right? If relation is there 1 to many, at the rate, what is that? 1 to what? Many, right? 1 to many. We will apply on the top of what? 1 to many. Okay, good. One more relation is there now. What is that? What is that? See this. Okay, see this. What is that? Star,
Many
right?
to many.
So what is that? This is this. Which relation is there now? Many to many, right? So what annotation will be now, guys? Many to what? Many to many. Okay, this annotation, based on that, what we will do now? We will perform the operation, right? So this is the operation annotation we will use, okay, at the development time. Okay, at the development time, what? Association, right? Now another step 4, guys. Okay, step 4, what we will do now? Fourth step. Step 4. Okay, step 4 is what? Provide what? Provide foreign key, right? Provide what? Foreign key column. Column and what? Join column, right? Join column, right? At the rate, what is that? At the join column. For what? For what? Many to many one, right? What is that? Extra. Extra table, like what is that? At the rate join. Okay, this annotation we will apply at the rate what? Table, and we will give the table to name, and what is that? Foreign key column. Foreign key column, right? Okay, this is the step 4. Don't worry, guys, it will clear. Everything will be clear. Okay, when we will start the practical. Till now, you people are understanding, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ravi, understanding. We are understanding.
Okay, step 5. What will happen now? What will happen now? Define repository, right? Repository interface. After then, what is that? Execute insert operation, right? Execute insert operation. So now again, one more time, guys. Okay, so let's see that. Okay, what is that? Let's conclude it. Okay, I'm concluding now. From here onward, we are going to start develop one application. Okay, I'm going to start what is that? One application. So what is that? Collection type, right? What is that? Collection and what? Non-collection. Non-collection. Okay. What is that? Non-collection, right? What is that? Non-collection, right? So just tell what is that collection type association and which one is non-collection type association. Now, guys, I want to listen from you people
Collection
now.
type is
1 to many collection type, many to many collection type.
One and
1 to many, many to many.
many to many.
Many to many.
and many to many.
Many to
Okay,
one
good.
and many to many.
And non-collection based now, guys.
Yeah, non-collection type
Many
is
to
one
one.
to one and one
Many
to
to
one.
one, many to one.
One to one
Many to one.
One
and
to one.
many to one.
Good, good, very good, very good. Everyone appreciated you people. Okay, good. Let's move on. Okay. So okay, so let's develop one application now, guys. What is that? So just think about that. This is what employee is there, right? Employee is there, right? Employee is there. Now one employee, right? One employee is what is that? Department, right? Which kind of relation is there? Employee and a department now, guys. Come on.
One to one. One employee belongs to one department.
One
Maybe
employee,
many to
employee
one.
and a department. What is the relation? Just I explain and you
Sir,
people are
in one
forgetting.
department,
many.
Sorry?
many to one.
Many to
Many
one.
to one.
Many to one.
Many
Good,
to
good,
Many to
one.
one.
good, good.
Many
Many
to
to one
one.
relation is there, guys. Okay. In a one
Yes, sir.
department, what is that? Multiple employee can be work.
Multiple employees are there.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so fine now, guys. Okay, good. So let's analyze it. Okay. So what will be UML diagram will be now? Our UML diagram will be now. See this. Okay. See this. Okay. So good, good, good. Very good. Let's move on and we will see that. Okay. So okay. So here what is that? Our calm.rk dot what is that model? Model. This is the package name and what is that? I'm taking what class name DEPT, right? Department. Okay. Inside that what is that? DID, right? DID integer. Department ID integer will be there. Okay. Another one is what now, guys? Another one is what? Another one is what? Hyphen. Okay.
Department name.
D code, right?
Department name.
Department code will be there. And this one will be what? String type. Okay. Department code. And another one is what? Admin. Who is the admin of this department, right? Now string. Okay, good. This is the data inside this. What is that? Department table is there, right? This is what our UML diagram now, guys. Okay. This is our what? UML diagram now. Okay, good, fine. So okay, so here what is there now, guys? Here department is there now. Okay, here what is that? Department is there now. Okay, good. So here another thing. So okay, come here and see this. Okay, here employee is there. Okay, so here we are deciding that what is that? Com dot rk dot model, right? Model, right? Okay, good. So here what is that? Employee. Employee. We are taking the class name employee. Okay, so what is that? Data will be, what is the data now, guys? Okay, so here what is that? Private, what is that? EID I'm taking, right? EID integer. EID. Another one is what? Another one what? E-name, right? E-name I'm taking what? String only, right? Another one is what? String. Another one is what? E-sal. E-sal is there, right? E-sal. E-sal is what? Double. E-sal is what? Double. Another one is what, guys? Another one is what? DOB, right? Department object. Just I'm taking, right? So what is that? I'm associating with what department? DEPT, right? DEPT. Okay, good. So this is our what? This is our data of what?
Parent
Employee
class.
class. Employee class. Okay. So good. So now, okay, this is the UML diagram of what? This is the UML diagram of what? Come on, guys. Employee, right? This is the UML diagram of what? Our employee now. Okay, good. Very good. Okay, so fine now, guys. So next one is what? Next one is what? Okay, see this. Then what is the relation between employee and what department now, guys?
Has a
Has a relationship.
Has a relation is there, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Has a relation is there. Good. Very good. Total loop concept, don't worry. Cascade, I am planning to explain to you people cascading. What is the cascading? Then I will strong association and loose association also. Loop concept I will play with like anything. Just people believe on me, right? Believe on me, and from your side also hard work need, guys. Okay, hard work need. Just do these things. Okay, we will do wonder together, guys. It's my challenge. Okay, it's my challenge. because here we are not doing business with the education, we are learning the things. Okay, so who is the doing the businesses, those people will teach what is that, what is the not need, and whatever things need. Okay, so here we are not doing the businesses now, so because of that we are learning good subject. If the person will not do the business with education, right, unemployment will be not there in whole country, not India, whole country. Okay, this is my analysis. Okay guys, so here what is that, these two class is there. Okay, these two class is there. In these two class, what is that, many to one relation is there, right? Many to one relation is there. Okay, so if we perform the operation, guys, okay, if we perform the operation, so how the table will create in the database now, guys? Based on that, let's see that. Okay, let's see that. Okay, here only we will see the clear picture. Okay, and what we will do now, just practical will left, and just at the time of doing the practical we will get clear picture. We will get what, clear picture, right? So okay guys, so here what is that, one employee table is there, and what is that, one model table is there, right? So what, one model table is there. So how the table will create it now, guys? So see this. Okay, see this. Okay, so what I'm going to, one table here, one table will create, and another table for the department will create, right? Another table what, for the department will create. Okay, good. So just think about that. What is that? Here, how many column? 1, 2, 3 column will generate, guys. Okay. What is that? 1, 2, 3 column will generate, right? 1 and what? 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because here one foreign key. For the what? One foreign key will generate, right? Okay. So good. I'm giving what is that, table representation, guys. Okay, concentrate on that. Okay, so here what is that, EID. EID, this is the primary key, right? Another one is what, guys? Ename. Okay, another one is what, eCell, right? eCell. And what is that, this one is what, this is the department, right? So DID foreign key. Okay, this is the foreign key column. Okay guys, so this is the foreign key column. Okay, so here what will happen now, here also just think about that. One, here what, one, another one is what, 2, 3 column will generate, right? 3 column will generate. And what will happen now? Okay, so here what is that, PK, right? Here what is that, DID, primary key. This one is the primary key. Okay, and what is that, decode. And what is that, here what, admin will be there, right? Here what is that, admin will be there. Good. So these two table will generate, guys. Okay, these two table will generate, and this table is what, EMP tab, and this table is what, guys, DEPT tab, right? DEPT tab. Okay, department tab. Okay, so now fine guys, so here what is that, this foreign key, here what is that, this primary key. Because which relation is there now, guys? 1 to many to 1. Which relation is there? Many to 1. Okay, okay, so child table, this one will become, this one is what, parent table now, guys. This one is what, parent table. This one is parent table, and this one is what, child table. Okay, so
Child table.
okay, so this child table primary key will become inside the parent table what, guys? Foreign key. What will become now, guys? What will become now? Foreign key. Okay, so then between these two table, what relation is there now, guys?
Many to one.
Many to one.
Many to one.
Many to one. Okay, many to one. Okay, good. So okay, so if we insert the data, right, just think about that. I'm inserting the data, guys. Okay, so just what is that, here what is the primary key? One primary key is there, right? One primary key is there. Now I'm taking what is that, A only, right? Name I'm taking A, and the salary just I'm taking what is that, 2.2. okay, 2.2. okay, 2.2. okay, good. So after then what is that, here also what the second, right? Second primary key. And what is that, this is the B, right? This is the B. And what, this is the B. And what is that, 3 point, what is that, 3.3, right? 3.3 is there. Good. Good, very good. So 3.3 is there, right? So okay, so what is that one? What is that one employee? One employee, what is that? One employee can have what is that? What is that? Multiple employee, right? See, just think about that A employee and a B employee belonging with what is that? One department, right? One department. Just think about that. Me and Sudhir is there, okay? We are working in the same company, same department. So what will happen now, guys? One department can have, we are both two employee or not? Come on.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So here, what is that in the parent table? What is that two employees? Just think about that. These two employees there, A and B, two employees there, belonging to whom? Only one department, guys. Okay.
One department.
Only one department. So here, what is that? This is the primary key. Okay. Department primary key. And what is that? What is that? Here. So we are both. Me and Sudhir are a developer, right? So developer. Okay. So admin people just make as a Padma. Okay, guys. See, guys, I'm creating example also front of you only. Okay, nothing I prepared previously. Okay. Okay. So okay. Okay. So good. So okay, this is the our data, right? So think about that. Okay, this both employees belonging to whom are one department. So then what is that department primary key will become what is that? The single admin people, and both we are the developer only. So what we will assign? This primary key will assign inside that what? Parent key. Okay. So parent key. What is that? This primary key will become what? Parent key in the parent table. This is the structure of what? Many to one. Come on, guys.
Yes.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I'm given.
Ravi,
I
it's clear.
Here only clear picture. Just development is left now, guys.
Yes, clear.
Really, you people are enjoying the session, or just I'm convincing you people?
No, Ravi, we are really enjoying.
Yes, we can say that.
No, we are really enjoying, Ravi.
Good.
Not boring.
Very good. Let's do the practical on this example, guys. Okay.
Yes, please go ahead.
Okay, so I'm closing all those things. I'm going to create a new project, guys. Okay, so this one we will take. Okay, we will take this property. Who will write each every time? Okay, so what I'm going to do now? I'm going to create one project now. Okay, so what is that? File new. What is that? Spring Starter project, right? So here, what I'm going to take now? Many to one. Employee many to one project, right? Many to one project. Okay, good. Now next, what is that? Spring Data GPA, Lombok, and what is that? MySQL driver, guys. Okay. So no, next, finish. Just guys, okay, help your friends also. They let them to should not waste their money in anywhere, guys. Okay, so they will become part of their businesses, right? Their time will waste. That's it, nothing more. If the person is dedicated, I know that they people will get the job. Okay, but you know their time is more important than anything else in the life, guys. In my point of view, I don't know what about others. Hey, don't become too much silent, yaar. Continuously, I'm talking, right? Speaking. So please.
We are
Right, sir.
listening carefully.
You are making the session very interactive, Ravi, by asking the questions.
Okay, guys. So here, what is that? Okay, this is the application, right? Many to one. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's move on. Okay, let's move on, and we will see that. Okay, we will see the next level things. Okay, good, very good. So okay, so what we will do now? The property file. Okay, in the last. Okay, the whatever property I'm not going to. Okay, just I'm copying pasting them now, guys. Okay, time waste is there. Okay, you people already know that. Shall I write it?
No, so it's
Not
okay.
Not
required.
required, Ravi.
Not
No need.
Copy
Okay,
paste from
okay, guys.
previous
So
one.
let's good, very good. So what will happen now? Right click. First, what we will do now? Right click. Okay. Take the class. Okay. So come here. What is that? Come here. Okay. Here what? First department, right? We will create the
Employee department.
department, right? Okay. So what is that? What is that model? And here what is that? Department will be there, right? Department. Okay, good. Okay. Here @data. No
Entity.
as constructor.
Argument or constructor.
@
All are
Constructor.
all are constructor.
Entity.
All are constructor @entity.
Entity.
@table.
Table.
Leave it. Small na, no need of control shift O. It's okay, no problem. Okay. Private, what is that? Integer. EMP, what is that? Oh, sorry. What is the data is now?
Department ID.
DID.
DID.
Department ID.
DID, right?
DID.
DID.
Spelling mistake for integer. Line number 14.
Missing.
What is there now, guys?
Department
Code.
code.
Decode, right?
Yeah, department.
Admin. Good.
admin name.
So here, what is that? @ID, right?
@ID.
Okay, that's it, guys. Okay, that's it. @ID. Control Shift O. Okay, another one is table. Let's create it. Right click, new, and what? Class. Okay, so here what is that? Employee class we are creating now. Okay. Okay, guys. So employee class we are creating, right? See what we are going to do now. Here, what is the data now, guys? EID, ename is that, right?
EID.
EID,
ename, cell,
salary, and department object.
Sir, ID is a capital E.
DID,
DPT ले सकते हैं.
DOB, right? Okay, so here what is that? Private integer. Another one is what? String. Private string, right? Another one is what? Private, what is that? Double, right? Okay, good. And this one is what? DEPT, right? DEPT private.
Sir, take a wrapper class. Double.
No issue, but let's take it. There is no problem in that, but good. Okay, so here what is that?